see if we can get this hoopty started. Probably been sitting here for a few weeks. About 20-some degrees out here today. Bone stock minus a Holly Quadrajet just to get rid of the emissions because it's an 81. But other than that, stock. And it does need to be tuned. It was running way too rich this summer. Almost. As you can tell, it's running really rich. Still runs. When it wants to. Been cleaning this thing off for a few minutes, letting it warm up. There's how rich it's running. These stupid wheels, trying to find stock wheels for it, but that's what was on it when I bought it. And yeah, moving it because my neighbor yelled at me for not having Christmas lights up because I'm not really festive. So I figured I'll put some on this and maybe I'll be able to pass for this year. Let's see if I need four-wheel drive to get out of this. A little bit of snow. Still a little cold. Backfiring, it's just drowning in fuel right now. Well, it's gonna be about it for this one. Just figured I'd put a video up of this piece of junk for once. Given it's not really a piece of junk, it's rust free, but it needs to be tuned. Maybe one of these days I'll put a video up of me trying to tune it and crap. So, been sitting here for a while. I had to go away for training, so I didn't have time to tune it much. So it's been sitting, just been moving it and letting it run once in a while so it doesn't die. But we'll figure it out. It's about as festive as you're gonna get from me.